Alright, so this is the official website. So when you come here, if you want to start your data selling business, you come to the menu section and you click on register. You can also click on become an agent today and then you register. You fill in all your details, then you click on sign in. An email verification will be sent to you. Make sure you confirm the email. As at the time of recording this video, agent fee is free. So once you create your account, you verify your email, you've automatically become an agent. And this policy is subject to change. In the near future, you may have to pay to become an agent. So if you already have an account, you click on sign in. You enter your password and you click on sign in. So if you register fresh, you are not going to see this. Almost everything here will be zero because you've not started anything. Your transactions and everything will be zero. So this is what this interface looks. First of all, let's come to the menu section. You have your dashboard, buy data, transaction, fund wallet, funding history, AFA, register, and all that. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, let's start with the basic ones. First of all, we have wallet balance. This is the money that you use for all your data purchases. So, first of all, if you sign up, you have to fund your wallet. So let's say I want to fund my wallet. You click on the menu, then you click on fund wallet. Now, this is the money that you are going to use to purchase data on your site. So let's say I want to fund my wallet with 100 cedis. You see that I have to pay 102 cedis because of the charges. So you click on fund via pay stack. So here you enter your mobile money number and then you confirm. When you click on confirm, you have to approve the transaction. When you click on you enter your mobile pin and then you approve the transaction. Sometimes the approval may not come. Some issues from MTN and all that, so you have to go to your dialer and you dial *170, then you go to my approvals and then you approve the transaction. After that, you come here. So if you are going to approve the transaction manually, you don't close this page, you let this page be, and then you just go home, you go to your dialer and you dial it and you approve. Then you come back here and you will see a button where we say I've made payment or I've completed payment, something like that. When you click on that, the payments system will verify the payment and credit your account. All right, so let's cancel this. After we've funded our wallet and we want to buy data for customers, we click on buy data. So here we have the network, data bundle, and the recipient number. Network, let's say we want to buy MTN, so we select MTN. Bundle, so this is the price list. So we select the volume that we want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 10 gig, and then we enter the customer's number. Good. So when the number meets the standard, then it will be green for you to click on buy now. When you click on buy now, you have the option to verify your details. You check the network, you check the number. If everything is intact, you click on confirm. If there is a mistake, you click on cancel. Then you come back to rectify, then you continue. So that's the data purchase flow. Now, if you want to see the status of your data, you've made data purchase for your customer, you want to know whether the data has been delivered, you come to your menu section, then you go to transactions. So here, all the transactions that you've made will come here. So if you made a data purchase, first the status will be pending. After some time, it will move to processing and then to delivered. So this is how you check the data status, and here is your funding history. So when you make any deposit here, this is where it will be shown. Sometimes admins can also fund your wallet for you. You come to the platform. So if you register, make sure you come to the menu section and you click on join community so that you get updated on all the latest news and updates. Now we have AFA. So if you want to register someone on MTN AFA, you click on register customer, and currently it is 13 cedis 50 pesos. So you enter the full name of the customer and the phone number, and then the Ghana card, date of birth, and the town. For the occupation, it is automatically farmer, so you cannot do anything about it. Then you click on preview and submit. You confirm the details and then you make payment. That is all about the AFA. And we have storefront 2 option here. A separate video has been done about that, so we will not waste time on that. We don't want the video to be very lengthy. So basically, this is just a startup video on agents who sign up fresh on the platform.